Welcome to the hottest scoop of the hour, mga ka-Starbiz. Today, we are breaking down the explosive word war between social media mogul Rosmar Tan and actress Ina De Belen. It's a battle of followers versus filmography, and nobody is holding back. It all started when a netizen mistook Ina De Belen for Rosmar in a photo with Jake Vargas. Ina's response was the "ew" heard round the world. Ina didn't just deny the resemblance. She made it clear that she didn't want to be in the same conversation. She said,
Guys, sino ba si Rosmar? Hindi ko siya kilala. Na-research ko na siya. Please, don't associate me with her. Ew.
"You know Rosmar Tan. The woman with 30 million followers wasn't going to take that sitting down." She fired back with a series of posts that have gone absolutely viral. Rosmar questioned Ina's actress status and flexed her massive online reach, saying,
Kung makaiw ka naman sa akin, mas mukha ka pang mom of 3 sa akin. At kung makasabi ka ng hindi mo ako kilala, mas di kita kilala, saan ka lumabas? Hiyang-hiya naman sa'yo ang 30 million total followers ko. Kala ko di mo ako kilala. Pero sasabihan mo ako ng ew at nakakabwisit? Okay lang sana na di mo ako kilala. Pero anong ginawa ko sa'yo? Para sabihan mo ako ng ew? Starlet na, hindi pa nga sikat, attitude na agad. Weh!
She didn't stop there. In a follow-up, she doubled down on the "who you" energy.
Kung makaiw ka naman sa akin at hindi niya daw ako kilala, nahiya naman ako sa'yo, Filipina actress, nakalagay pero di din naman kita kilala. Mas maraming beses pa ata ako lumabas sa TV kaysa sa'yo, ante. Kung makaiw, wagas, inaano ka?
This is the classic clash between old media and new media. On one side, you have Ina De Belen, coming from a respected showbiz lineage, seemingly protective of her brand. On the other, you have Rosmar, the queen of viral marketing who views follower counts as the ultimate currency of fame. In our view, this conflict is a fascinating look at how we define relevance in 2026. While Ina's "ew" might have been an impulsive reaction to someone outside her circle, it came across as elitist to many netizens. Rosmar, meanwhile, knows exactly how to play the underdog who made it big card. Was the "ew" necessary? Probably not. But was Rosmar's mom of 3 comment a bit too personal? Definitely. In the world of showbiz, there are no winners in a mudslinging contest. Only more views. What do you think, Starbizers? Are you #Team Ina? Or #Team Rosmar? Sound off in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more shocking showbiz updates.